Hello everyone, this is Matt with the latest audio and video forecast from Storm Central. We've been getting a lot of questions coming in. Excuse me if I have to click out of these. There's been a ton of damage reports coming in from St. Louis area and all across the United States for where the damage reports are coming in. Let's start with the radar first. This is the look at the national radar. It's showing basically two bow echoes. It's showing one surging out towards Indianapolis. It's showing another one surging into western Kentucky. And then it's showing just a straight squall line almost all the way down to Texas. And this is starting all the way from just about a little bit south from Kalamazoo all the way down to the, that would be southern Arkansas. And let's go to the picture of Indianapolis. This is an updated software I got. This is the trial version for now, and then I will purchase it. But it's showing tornado warnings all over here. These are all tornado warnings in red. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Indianapolis area. And then up over here by Benton Harbor, just east of Benton Harbor, near Kalamazoo, there's a severe thunderstorm warning. And that will be going through possibly southern portions of Michigan, very southern, extreme southern portions of Michigan, if that cell sticks together. There's a bunch of tornado warnings just north of Evansville, if not including Evansville. That is a whole line surging out bell echo once again, so there's tons of tornado warnings all in this area over here. Let's go to a different look on the radar here. We're going to go to a different location. We're going to go to Arkansas here. This is a great thing to have. We're going to go near Little Rock, Arkansas. Little Rock, Arkansas, storms there's severe thunderstorm warnings to the north of you and then to the west of you, but the main line has actually went east of you, but there's still some severe thunderstorm warnings over here on this area and then over here. This is as of 9:52 p.m. Central Daylight Time. There's tornado warnings over here for just east of Pine Bluff, I think that would be. Janesboro over here, Janesboro, Arkansas, that would be, is under severe thunderstorm warnings. And then they're showing just tornado watch boxes all the way over here, and this is severe thunderstorms. We're going to go one more location, that would be St. Louis, Missouri. No, actually, we're going to go to Evansville, Indiana. I take that back, because that would be the next one to go to. Evansville, Indiana is right here, located right here. Let's wait for the map to load. See, they just about moved all over out of Missouri and over by St. Louis. And there's just a whole line. Severe thunderstorm watches. This is where the bow echo surges out, right over here. And it'll go back into the C formation. A bow echo, by the way, is a C formation that surges out first, outflow of strong gust winds. And we've had reports up to 95 miles an hour, and I believe that's in Jones. I'll have to go back to that, but that is in Illinois where the bow echo just went through. And as you can see, there's tons of tornado warnings just, if not including Evansville, Indiana, but that would be just north, I believe, with the bow echo surging out. This is all tornado warnings, severe thunderstorm warnings, and they're all heading east from 55 miles an hour to 70 an hour with the severe and tornado warnings on these. Very dangerous line of storms capable of producing hail up to 4 inches in diameter. We've had 4 reports of those with 4-inch diameter hail in Missouri and Illinois. We've had semis being flipped over in, I believe we got that from one of our viewers. Let me check that real quick. We did get that one from our viewers at one second here. From Oak Lawn, we've had a lot of rain. We've had over 3 inches of rain here, and we've had 0.8 inches of hail where I live. Gotta plug in here. 0.88 inches of hail coming in here in Oak Lawn. And as you can see, we've had a ton of questions coming in for the severe weather event here. Yes, we have had in Marion, Illinois, a semi was blown over on Interstate 57. We are up now to 357 total reports, including 24 reports of tornadoes and 90 reports of wind and 243 hail reports. A lot of those tornadoes have occurred in Missouri and Illinois, going down this list. And Arkansas, there has been 2 confirmed. I'm sure there's a lot more to come in tonight. Hail reports, well, some of the highest have been in Pike County, or Pike, Missouri, I believe that is. 2 3/4 inch hail. We've had a 425, like I said, in Oklahoma. 425 in Attica, Oklahoma. We've had tons of reports coming in of 1 inch and 1 inch plus. We had another 4 inch in Pike, Missouri here. 4.5 inch, that is. Lots of reports coming in above over 4 inch and above over 2 inch. Lots of damage reports coming in also with tornadoes. We've heard near St. Louis, the suburbs, that they've had damage reports lots of damage with lots of houses being destroyed with tornadoes and people trapped in the houses. That was coming from one of our viewers' blogs of Tom Skilling. Here's some wind reports now. Unknown wind gusts of 90 over. We just got 103 mile an hour coming in from Jonas. Let me get that correct here. I'm having some pronunciation troubles today. Where is it at? We've had a 95 in Johnson, Illinois. Measured gust 80 to 95. Now we've had also some 100+ reports coming out of that area also. This line is just still moving. It's extending. And let's go to the national map here. This line where it surges out over here and comes back in and then comes in is not weakening as of now, and this will be surging into, this is probably in Indianapolis right now. We're thinking Eastern Daylight Time. It should be into Ohio between midnight and 1 a.m. Central Ohio between 1 a.m. and 2 a.m. Then after that, they should begin to weaken probably when they get to Central Ohio, if not before that. But we are hoping. But that bow echo is very strong coming out of there, and then once they hit over the H, they should be dying down totally. And they should not come any farther than they should not be getting into West Virginia at all. We would think that they would go right down here. And as far as they will go is right here, we believe. Up here, they're getting blasted with snow over here. But that's about it. The timing frame, they should be dying out over here about 3 to 4 Eastern Daylight Time. And then Central Time over here, they're now raking the area, and it's going on 10 o'clock right now. This is the local. It's updated every 20 seconds for this software. For these storms, for up here, the tornado threat is not lowered for this area at all. So be alert coming into Ohio. Central Ohio, the tornado threat should weaken because of the daytime area. Daytime heating has lowered, also by Arkansas. But over here, expect damaging winds, straight line winds, in excess of 80 to 90 miles an hour, with wind gusts topping 90 miles an hour. We're going to a different radar here. Okay. That's the southern view. And then over here, large hail, once again, damaging winds, lots of lightning, still lightning here in Oak Lawn. And that's what to expect. Tomorrow's severe weather threat should stretch just below New York over here. So all this area, Dr. Greg Forbes have given southern Philadelphia a 4. Texas will have some storms because the low frontal boundary will still be draped out over there, so they've given them a 3, I believe. And then all over here, expect damaging winds, large hail, and strong straight line winds possible on a slight risk tomorrow. Once again, this is Matt with your audio and video forecast. Everyone stay safe tonight. If you have any other questions, please post them on our wall. I believe we've answered a ton of questions for tonight. Thank you very much for listening, and have a safe night. Thanks. Goodbye.